Hi everyone, this is day 3 of writing for this week, and it's our first week of studying opinion writing. Now, the first day we read Alligators Are Unfriendly with that author's opinion. And then yesterday we talked about animals that would not make good pets. And we gave an opinion and reasons. An opinion is what you think or feel about something. And then when you give an opinion, you also give reasons for why you think that. And yesterday, I wrote about elephants. What was my opinion about elephants? Did I think they would make a good pet? No. My opinion about elephants was that they would not make a good pet. What were the reasons for my opinion? You might remember that my reasons were they were too big to fit in a house, they can't go for walks, and they would smash everything. Yeah. So today we're going to write about animals that would make good pets. I have some ideas already of some animals that I think would make really good pets. What animals do you think would make really good pets? Okay, here's what I have so far. Animals that would make good pets: cats, dogs, rabbits, and birds. Why would a cat make a good pet? You've heard me talk about cats before. I think that cats make really good pets. They're fluffy and they're cute. They're quiet. They don't bark a lot like dogs do, and you don't have to walk them like dogs. And they sleep a lot, so they don't take a lot to take care of. They're fluffy and cute. They're small, not like an elephant. They can fit in my house. They're quiet, and they sleep a lot. My next one is dogs. Why would a dog make a good pet? Why do so many people love dogs? Yeah, dogs are really friendly and happy, and they like walks, and they like playing, and they like cuddling. So I'm going to write friendly, happy, they like walks, playing, and cuddling. Here's what I have so far. Animals that would make good pets: cat, fluffy, cute, small, quiet, sleep a lot. Dog, friendly, happy, like walks, playing, and cuddling. My next ones are going to be rabbit and bird. Do you have another idea of an animal that would make a good pet? Take a second to write down your idea of an animal that would make a good pet. Then, as I am continuing to write my reasons, you can think about what reasons you have for why your animal is a good pet. The next one is rabbit. I have always wanted a rabbit because I think they're really cute and they're really small, and I would love to cuddle up with one. So I'm going to write that rabbits are small and cute. They're also very, very soft and cuddly. Unlike an elephant or a giraffe, they fit in a cage. And they can either be in the cage or they can be around your house, hopping around. Oh, they also hop, which is really cute. I like rabbits. And then bird is my last one. I have a friend who loves birds, and she has a tiny little bird, like this big, and it just sits on her shoulder and follows her wherever she goes. And it's like just her little companion, her little friend. Birds, they will sit on your shoulder. They also fit in a cage. So their mess is kind of contained to that one space. And they have really pretty colors. You can get birds that are very bright and have like beautiful colors. They have pretty colors. What is your animal that you wrote down? And what are your reasons for why that animal is a good pet? All right, let's read what I wrote one more time. Animals that would make good pets. Cat, fluffy, cute, small, quiet, sleep a lot. Dog, friendly, happy, like walks, playing, and cuddling. Rabbit, small, cute, soft, cuddly, fits in a cage. Bird, sits on your shoulder, lives in a cage, have pretty colors. Okay. Now I'm going to do some opinion writing about one of the animals from my chart. What animal would you like me to write about? We'll see. Here's the animal that I'm going to write about. I'm going to write about a rabbit. And I said that a rabbit would make a good pet because they were fluffy, cute, small, soft, cuddly, and they fit in a cage. So I'm going to write a few sentences about my opinion about rabbits. My opinion about rabbits is that they would make a good pet. So I'm going to write that first. A rabbit would, oops, hey, yikes, okay, M-A-K-E, make, a G-O-O-D, good, P-E-T, pet. A rabbit would make a good pet. Here are my reasons for why a rabbit would make a good pet. It has soft fur and likes to cuddle. It, H-A-S, has soft, soft. What sounds do you hear? Soft. Snake, S. Octopus, O. Fish, F. Turtle, T. Soft. Fur, fish, F. Umbrella, U. Ring. And, A-N-D, and, likes. How do you spell like? L-I-K-E, like. If I want to say likes, I add an S to that. To be cuddled. Period. It is small and lives in a cage. It is small. Small. S. Monkey. And then there's an ALL, just like the word all. Small. And AND, and lives in a cage. We can figure out the first two letters there. K, caterpillar, C. A. J is G with an E at the end. There we go. Here's what I wrote about rabbits. A rabbit would make a good pet. It has soft fur and likes to be cuddled. It is small and lives in a cage. Let's echo read. A rabbit would make a good pet. It has soft fur and likes to be cuddled. It is small and lives in a cage. Good. What animal are you going to write about today? In your opinion, what animal would make a good pet? Why does that animal make a good pet? What are your reasons? In your writing today, make sure you say that the animal would make a good pet and list your reasons for why you think that. Next week, we're going to keep writing opinions about a different topic. I'll see you then, and have a fun time writing. Bye.